guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. So today I'm going to be talking to you about, will your homeschooler be shy? And is there anything you could do about it? Is it just going to be what is because they're homeschooled? I just want to put some things out there because I know if you're new to homeschooling in the beginning, you're going to have a lot of people come to you with these sorts of things. Your kids are not going to be socialized. Your kid's going to be shy. Your kid's going to be this. Your kid's going to be that. Blah, 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 blah. I've heard it all. So I just want to put some things out there and just kind of clear the air about it because it can be really hard in the beginning. I know. Because I'm in a place now where it doesn't bother me. But in the beginning, it was very hard when people would say stuff because I don't know, back then it would make me wonder, maybe I am making a mistake. Maybe this isn't what I'm supposed to be doing. But now where I am now, I know this for a fact. This is what I'm supposed to do with my kids. It's a calling. And I just know. And now it doesn't bother me when people say things. If my family was against it, it would hurt. But I would still do it. Because I know I'm supposed to. But I have a very supportive family, so that's not the case. But anyway, so yeah. I think everything is based on your personality. I think if I'm a shy person. Shyer. I was a lot more shy when I was younger. But I'm a shy person and I was homeschooled. My brother was homeschooled and he's not shy. He's more of a people person. And so it's really based on personality. If I went to public school, I would have still been a shy person. And Billy still would have been how he is, outgoing, more people person. So it really doesn't have anything to do with being homeschooled. I know a lot of homeschoolers, and actually most of them are not shy. Most people I know that was homeschooled is more outgoing. So it's kind of the opposite. Most of the people I know that are shy and reserved go to public school or went to public school. So, I don't know, it just doesn't seem to add up when people tell you things like that. Most of the time, people just base that on maybe if they knew one person who was homeschooled and they're shy, and they'll base everything on that one person. So, it's not a very reliable source most of the time. It's usually they don't agree with you, so they're going to bring up anything negative about it. Most people are like that. Now there is people who are genuinely concerned about your kids who just don't understand why you're doing what you're doing and they feel like they need to say something because they need to help your kids. But most people just don't agree with you. So they're going to bring out all the negative and try to persuade you differently. So yeah, it's all based on personality. It really doesn't have anything to do with being homeschooled. Now, I do believe, especially if you have an only child, your kids need to have interaction with other kids. Now, not to say that has to be an everyday thing, but if you know other homeschool moms or other moms who have kids that's the same age as your kids, then try to get them together so they do get a chance to be around other kids. I think that's a really good thing. There's nothing wrong with that, especially if you have an only child. But anyway, I'm kind of getting over a cold, so I'm kind of sniffing, but I'm doing good. So anyway, I need to drink water. But yeah, so don't let what other people say bother you about this. When you get to a place where you really know this is what you're supposed to be doing with your kids, you know it's a calling, this stuff really just doesn't bother you anymore. I am at that place now. I wasn't always there. At the beginning, it was really hard because I would always have the doubts of, am I going to mess up my kids? Everybody has stuff like that. But when I got to the place where I understood this is what I'm supposed to do, that stuff didn't bother me anymore. People could say stuff to me now, and it wouldn't bother me at all. Like, I would just say, okay, that's your opinion. That's okay. And just move on. But it's a really good place to be. And if you're not there, if you're new to this, I'm about to cough. Okay, I'm back. I had to cough really bad. So, anyway, where was I? Anyway, so if you're new and you're not to that place yet, just be encouraged that you will get to that place where this stuff just, it won't bother you anymore. It's a really good place to be, and it's coming. I hope this can be an encouragement to you that no matter if your kid's homeschooled or public schooled or whatever schooled, if they're shy, they're going to be shy. If they're outgoing, they're going to be outgoing. It's just their personality. Don't let what other people say bother you. It really doesn't matter. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.